Hello, good morning. My name is Manisha Sharma and my ID is 20251644 and I am student of ECE and my this is my presentation for assessment 1 ECE 505 Cultural Diversity and Inclusion. For this I have to choose the one book and I have chosen the book The Big Umbrella Fostering Inclusion, Equity and Belonging, and it is written by Amy John Bates and Juniper Bates. So I will describe this book in my presentation. First, I will give some introduction about that book. This is the book written by the Aunt Jane Bates and her daughter Juniper Bates. It is a beautifully illustrated children's picture book that delivers a simple yet powerful message about inclusion, kindness, and belonging. The story begins on a rainy day when a young child heads out with a large red umbrella, and as the rain pours, the umbrella opens its arms for everyone, both literally and metaphorically, to welcome everyone who needs shelter, regardless of who they are or what they look like. Through its warm and gentle narrative, the big umbrella becomes a metaphor for acceptance and diversity. The umbrella keeps growing bigger and bigger to make room for everyone, people of different shape, size, color, and background, showing that there is always space under it for all. Further, this book is truly represent culture and diversity. It is a beautiful book that symbolically explores inclusivity and diversity through the imagery of a large red umbrella that offers shelter to everyone. The book celebrates difference by portraying a welcoming community where all individuals, regardless of their appearance, age, or background, are invited to belong. Unlike traditional narratives that may privilege certain identities or perspectives, the Big Umbrella deliberates center a collective message emphasizing empathy and community rather than hierarchy or exclusion. The diversity of the characters depicted through varying skin tones, body types, clothing, and physical abilities. It reflects a global and inclusive worldview. In the Big Umbrella, every individual finds space under the umbrella, which is symbolically is equitable partnership and social connection. From a pedagogical perspective, this inclusivity supports children's development of empathy and identity by showing that all forms of diversity, culture, social, and familiar are normal and celebrated. Thus, the story acts as a mirror for all children, which is offering positive presentation and validation. Further, I will discuss about some bias, prejudice, and stereotypes which are related to this. The book effectively challenges bias, prejudice, and stereotypes through both its narrative and illustrations. Rather than reinforcing dominant cultural norms or Eurocentric beauty deals, the imagery in the Big Umbrella depicts a wide range of individuals who differ in authenticity, ability, and expression. There are no traditional heroes or others, every person is portrayed as equally worthy of inclusion. Language plays a crucial role in reinforcing this inclusive message. The text is simple yet powerful, using repetitive phrasing such as there is room for everyone to emphasize acceptance and kindness. Importantly, the book avoids identifying characters by social categories such as race, gender, or disability. Instead, it invites readers to see people for who they are beyond labels. Children reading this story are likely to internalize several implicit messages that diversity is beautiful, that kindness is powerful, and that everyone deserves to belong. The imagery of a red umbrella expanding to fit everyone teaches children about flexibility, empathy, and social responsibility. Further, this book provides opportunities for equity and inclusion. that the Big Umbrella book is providing rich opportunities to promote equitable and inclusive learning experiences in early childhood settings. The story's central theme is making space for everyone, invites discussions about fairness, kindness, and social justice. Educators can use the book as a conversation starter to explore how classrooms and communities can be more welcoming. For example, children can be encouraged to reflect on questions like who is under our umbrella at kindergarten and how can we make more space for others. In terms of curriculum connections, this directly supports EYLF outcome 2 that children are connected with and contribute to their world. Particularly the sub-point that children become aware of fairness and respond to diversity with respect. It also supports NQS Quality Area 6, which emphasizes collaborative partnerships with families and communities. Reading the Big Umbrella together can serve as a springboard for family engagement, inviting parents to share cultural stories or values that promote belongingness and inclusion. Furthermore, the story offers opportunities for interdisciplinary learning. In literacy, children can retell or dramatize the story, exploring emotional literacy and perspective taking. In art, they can design their own big umbrella, symbolizing community and care. Further, I will discuss the strength-based approaches, that what are the strengths of this book. The narratives of the Big Umbrella aligns closely with strength-based approaches in early childhood education, which focus on children's abilities, potential, and cultural assets rather than deficits. The story highlights that every person, no matter how different, brings value to the community by representing inclusion as natural and joyful. The book encourages educators and children to view diversity as a strength. The EYLF tools encourage educators to adopt a strength-based approach by recognizing children and families' unique backgrounds and contributions. From a relational pedagogy perspective, this approach also builds a sense of belonging and identity. Belonging, one of the EYLF's three core concepts, belonging, being, and becoming, is reinforced throughout the story as each new character finds shelter under the umbrella. The absence of exclusion or pity ensures that the narrative remains positive and empowering. The umbrella becomes a collective space of care and well-being, representing how inclusive relationship can strengthen social cohesion. Further, pedagogical applications are there. Educator can use the big umbrella in multiple ways to promote cultural responsiveness, empathy, and social justice. Through intentional teaching, educator can scaffold children's understanding of fairness, diversity, and belonging. For instance, for instance, dialogic reading strategies where educators pause to ask open-ended questions can help children reflect on why it is important to include others. This practice promotes critical literacy, helping children identify bias and develop of awareness. Practical activities might include creating a class umbrella of inclusion where each child adds their photo or drawing symbolizing unity, writing or illustrating who they would invite under their own big umbrella, fostering empathy and imagination. Discussing real life scenarios about sharing kindness and fairness in the classroom. These experiences align with EYLF principles such as high expectations and equity, respect for diversity, and ongoing learning and reflective. They also connect with NQS Quality Area 1 by encouraging intentional teaching and child-led exploration. Moreover, educator can integrate the big umbrella into curriculum projects on identity, diversity, or community, creating opportunities for children to see their life experiences reflected in the learning environment. Using the big umbrella in this way also support educators' professional responsibility under the Victorian early year learning and development framework to promote inclusive practices that uphold children's rights. It empowers children to act with compassion and fairness, echoing the principles of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. They affirm every child's right to participation and protection. Next, it is also theoretical integrated with several theories. This book acknowledges multiple dimensions of identity, such as race, gender, ability, and age, without privileging one over another. Each character's presence under the umbrella represents the intersection of different identities. This approach helps children recognize that individuals have unique experiences shaped by overlapping factors. Through the lens of anti-bias education, this book aligns with Derman, Sparks, and Edwards' four anti-bias goals: fostering a strong self-identity, developing empathy for others, recognizing unfairness, and acting against bias. The text embodies all four. It affirms identity by including everyone and encourages empathy by illustrating compassion and model fairness through the symbolic act of making room for others. Teachers can build upon these ideas by guiding children to identify real world situations wherein inclusion matters. The perspective is the big umbrella visualize activity in action. The umbrella is not a limited resource, it expands to meet everyone's needs. The concept mirrors social justice, principle of fairness, and participation. The story invites children to consider how their actions can contribute to fairer, kinder communities. Vygotsky's social cultural theory further reinforces this interpretation by positioning learning as a social process constructed through interaction. Further, evaluation and reflection, that in the end we can say that it reflects on the educators or text success and how educators extend their meaning to support deeper inclusion. These are some references from which I have taken this data, and this was my presentation on this book. Thank you very much.